So yeah, I do apologise if you think you're finding a video about how to adjust an MT07 chain, but that's not happening here. You see, I could do the chain myself. I mean, I did it enough on my old bike to know how to do it. It's almost 1400 miles. And I know it had a service of 600 miles. But I just thought it'd be worth getting it checked. And rather than me get grubby doing it, I gave JT's a call to see if they even did it to begin with. Which they do. And it's pretty cheap to get done. It's 14 quid. Yeah, at least it'll be done properly, and I can just go out on the bike and enjoy it without getting grubby. Because I do like to be hands-on with the bike, and there are some things that I will be doing. When you take into consideration the cost of like getting a good torque wrench, getting all the proper socket fittings and things, you know, for me I would probably lose half of those socket fittings before I even got a chance to fucking use them. Yeah, I'm not very organised as a person. I try to be. So I thought, yeah, why not? Get out on the bike. Won't take them long to do. They got all the correct tools and everything, and the bike come from there as well, so it's all good. It's all good. If they're able to squeeze me in, great. If I've got to wait, it's not a problem. Not a problem. I'd rather do that and look at some nice bikes. What do we have here? Oh. But look at that. So yeah, they did my chain very quickly indeed, and he said next time you come down I'll show you how to do it and things, and you know, you do it properly, which is great, even better because it's specific for my bike then. And look at that, MT10 demonstration model. I can only dream. Oh, look at that, bang on 1400 miles too. Damn. But yeah, they did it for me, and it was on the phone he quoted £14, but when he did it, he said, don't worry about it, it's on the house. So they did it for free. So good times, good times. JT's in Bridgend, boys and girls. JT's in Bridgend. Just epicness. It's good of him to say, well, next time you come in to get it done, you'll go through it with me, which is fantastic. And I'm sure if I ask him nicely, you never know, he might let me do a tutorial video for you guys. But yeah, the bike instantly just feels better, feels smoother. It's amazing like how much a difference the little things make. And I could have done it myself, but I wouldn't have been as quick as that guy, to be honest. There's no way I would have been as quick as that guy. So thank you very much, JT's. I didn't get the guy's name. I will do next time. I'll ride it for another 600 miles and see what it's like, and then take him up on his offer, I think. Can't hurt, can it? I can't believe how quick he was. That would have taken me for fucking ever. I am a stickler for getting things right. I really am. If I did it and I wasn't happy with it, I would be there forever doing it. I really would. But it's very nice of them to squeeze me in and out really quick. can't fault the guys there. Let's wait. I could filter this fucking filter. Coming through, people. Whoop, whoop. Could I get through there? Yeah, I should be able to. Hello. Can I get through there? Nope. Noob.